Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice phone. It looks like the iPhone. So let's start the drawing. First we are going to draw the outside borders. So we're using the scales and drawing. Looks like this. And let's draw another parallel line like this. Alright. And the lines at the end, these are going to be straight. Alright. And another line at the bottom. Okay, now we are going to connect the points with these curved lines, making the edge a smoother one, very smooth edge. Inside that we are going to draw another parallel lines to show the screen area. All right, and we connect these 2 points here like this. Another 2 points we are going to connect here. All right, we can use the eraser for the top part. Let's put a smaller circle here, and one point and another point, it looks like here. Okay, usually we're going to put it dark. For the camera, we used it to take the selfie, and we can draw a small circle at the bottom, and let's make it darker. Okay, we're going to draw a love sign in the middle. All right, so you can see this is nice phone. Now we're going to put a golden color. Let's put this color for the whole body. This is the color we're putting for whole body. The golden iPhone, and we're going to put a love sign with a very light green color or the pink color. Let's do it with pink color. Pink sounds good. All right, yes, this is looking nice. For the screen texture, we can put few blue shades, looks like this. That shows the glass of the screen. Alright, so this is the complete drawing of a mobile phone. This is nice. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.